Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi here for After Effects tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to control 3D models in After Effects without using any plugin. So let's start. Take a look guys, this is 3ds Max 2027 and now very simple using 3ds Max how to control the workspace. Press middle mouse button for moving the viewport, scrolling for zoom in, zoom out. Hold Alt key on keyboard, press middle mouse button by orbiting. So, and now if we need to adjust the viewport grid, press Z to adjust. So guys, take a look. This is a simple teapot. And now I need to export this to After Effects. Go to File, go to Export, select it and go to select desktop and select OBJ. Okay, and now I need to write the name test. Click OK. And now go to After Effects. This is After Effects 2026. Click New Composition and select the composition size HD. Right here, test. Select 5 second, click OK. And now, guys, right click, create a new solid, and right here, so background, let's turn off this one first. Double click, go to import the test OBJ, click import, and now select drag and drop here. Okay, guys, make comp size, go to advanced and click OK. Right click, go to create a new camera and select 35mm, click OK. Don't forget, when you create the new composition, go to 3D render, select the advanced render 3D, click OK. And now these three tools will control the camera by moving, dolly, orbit, track, everything. So what about material? What about surfacing material or texture? Take a look, guys. Let's go to 3ds Max, delete this one, go to File, click on Import, and let's go to Desktop. There I have Airplane. Select the airplane, make import, and now there you can see Airplane OBJ. How to apply the material or the color, and how to export, how to control in After Effects 2026. Take a look. Zoom out from all viewports. Right click, select the rotate and turn on the snap and rotate 180. Let's see, 90-degree. Here you can see. Press R to scale down the size and press Z. Press W to move center. Let's go to press Z to adjust this viewport. Z, adjust this viewport. Move it a little bit up and press Z. And now there you can see the airplane top of the grid. So select one of this part and go to modify and go to attach list. Select all of them, attach. Okay. And now in one click, you can move everything. So guys, how to apply? Take a look. First, go to render setup and change the render engine to scanline render. Close. Click on material, select the first slide material and select the first one and go to click on physical material and then select one of the standard legacy material. So you can copy like this, copy. Select the first one and let's change the color. So I need to change the color for the airplane. Let's select the blue. So select another material, select, make little bit dark blue like this. Click OK. By selecting the element, select two wings, hold Control on keyboard, select all parts of the wings. Here is. And now you can apply this dark blue material, change the name, click OK. Here you can see. So select another parts, select and make white color apply on another part of airplane model. So let's see the engine. Select all parts of the engine. Select like this. Hold Control, select, select and select. So guys, you can apply this material on wings, turn off again. Let's say, let's apply the white material. Okay guys, let's select the plan and go to File, Export, select it to desktop, and right here, Final Plan, enter, export. Done. And now go to After Effects, delete all composition, create another new composition, select the render engine to the advanced 3D, make HD, and right here for test, 5 seconds, click OK, double click, and go to desktop, select the final plan, and drop here, make comp size, and click OK, right click, create a new camera, click OK. Take a look. Here is the plan. So if you need to apply the light, don't forget, right click, create a new light. Select the light to environment, click OK. So if you need to control the light, press T to control the intensity like this. And wait for the rendering of the After Effects. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to import or control 3D model in After Effects without any plugin. Press T, turn on the 3D, and rotate. Hold Shift on keyboard and change the size. Let's press V or S for the scale. Change the size. Hold Control Shift plus Y. Change the color to ground color, or you can select the dark color. Click OK. And let's control. Create another new solid right here, the sky. Control Alt, sorry. Select the effect RAM, double click, change to blue, and make between blue and green, move it back. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.